Welcome to Sudoku SKVM. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on April 6, 2024, 5-star Sudoku. 7th row and 9th row we have 8. So it can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column G, column H, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. 6th grade, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Then column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column H, we have 5 and 9. So 5 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. The ninth grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column H, first row and second row we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. The 3 is confirmed here. 8th row, column F we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then the 1 is confirmed here. 9th row and the 8th row we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. 9th row, 7th row we have 2. Column B also we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column B, column C we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column H we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. 2 will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Third grade and first grade we have 2. Column D also we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. The 2 is confirmed here. Column D, column E we have 2. 6th row and 5th row also we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column E and 5th row we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. 6th row we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 4th grade we have 1, 2, 5. The 3 number can't come these cells. It will come in one of the 3 cells. We will confirm later. Then column A, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. It will come in one of these cells. 6th row we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 4th row we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then 4th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then 4th row, only one number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Column E, column F, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. 5th row and first row we have pair numbers 1 and 9. So 1 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Third row we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. And then 1 is here. Column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5, it will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Fifth row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Then fifth grade, 3 numbers are remaining. 4, 8, 5. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then fifth row, only one number is remaining. 6. 6 is confirmed here. Then sixth grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 7 and 8. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. First row and third row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then column E, 2 numbers are remaining. 2 and 5. It will come in one of these cells. Ninth row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Ninth row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Third row, column C, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column C, we have 5. So 5 can't come in these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. First grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 4 and 8. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column C, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Column B, 2 numbers are remaining. 3 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then 7th grade, column C, 2 numbers are remaining. 1 and 6. It will come in one of these cells. 7th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 7th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 7th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. The 9th row, only one number is remaining. 3. 3 is confirmed here. 8th grade and 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining. 5 and 9. Column E, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. First row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. Then 2 is confirmed here. Then third grade, on column G, 2 numbers are remaining. 7 and 8. First row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. First row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. First row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Third grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 4 and 7. Third row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column H, only one number is remaining. 8. 8 is confirmed here. Second row on second grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 4 and 8. It will come in one of these cells. Column F, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. And then 8 is here. Fifth grade, on fifth row, 2 numbers are remaining. 5 and 8. Column F, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.